Okay, this is demo of the app Note-ify, a note sharing app specifically made for students. So first we have the login page, and then so we can use Google Sign In to log in. So we click Google Sign In, and I can choose whichever Google account to log in with. Okay, and I've signed in successfully. So previously the one that you saw was just a default list, and then this is the list that has been updated based on our database cloud Firestore information. As you see, our class, we have 3 documents in our class, and we have 3 that are shown in this list. And we have a search bar that we could use. So let's say I want to only search 120 classes, 12, so only these 2 show in my list now. So I can also have this button which allows you to add more classes, so you can create a new class if it's not here. So for example, I'm gonna be adding a class 345 in semester fall 2019, and I add. Okay, as you see, it's directly updated right here. You see, we have fall 2019. Hello, this is demo for the app Note-ify, which is a note sharing app specifically made for college students. So first, we have our first activity, which is a login activity, and we use Google Sign In for this login. So we click Google Sign In. It allows you to choose which Google account you want to sign in with. And then you choose one, and then you could sign in successfully. Okay, so you see that our class list has just been updated to the most recent class list. So you see that in this class we only have 3 classes, 3 documents in this class, and only 3 are appeared right here. So you can add another one with this add button, add another class with this add button. We can input the class name and semester taken. So for this example, I'll use ESE 345 and semester spring 2020. And then I click add. It updates right here. And also our list also updates along with our Firestore database. So I click on 345. We see a field of spring 2020, which it's what I've entered. And also we have the search bar where we can just search 1, 2, and only classes containing contents 1, 2 would appear as such. So when you click a class, like for example, I click 123, it's also updated to the latest. If we see in our notes, we have about 5 documents and they each appear here. So let's say, and then the search button works the same way if I do left. Only the 3 lectures will be shown right here. The 3 file names with LEC will be shown here. So when I click on one of them, it should display our note as such, which this image corresponds to our lecture 1 image in our stored cloud storage. Then we have our menu that's openable at every fragment. So basically shows just an Android avatar, and then this should be your name and email. But in this case, we are considered guest and guest email. So we also have a option to do profile. It'll just say guest and Stony Brook. And when you click home, it brings you back to the class list. So let's go back and let's try adding a note this time. So let me see this time. Adding note, we can add notes in two ways. You could click the upload button and we can either upload it by taking a picture or choosing it from the gallery. So let me choose one from the gallery first. Show you the example of choosing from the gallery. And then I'll just enter name, let's say lecture 8. Now press add. Okay, it's added, and let's just double check our cloud storage. Okay, we see that lecture 8 has been added. An image was the one that we have chosen before. So click lecture 8, it would show the image as follows. Okay. So this time, let's say you want to add a note during taking it as a picture. This time, let's name it lecture 6, and then we take a photo. This will go to our camera. Okay, let's adjust our camera. So let's imagine that we're taking an image of our notes like this. And then when you're done, just press the check. Okay, and then you press the add button. And we have lecture 6 added. And we just have to refresh the storage to see it, the newest. And here it is, lecture 6. And we'll click lecture 6. Okay, sometimes it might take some time for it to load. So we see that we have an image of our note and the image. And that's all the functions of our Note-ify app. Oh, and also if you want to log out, just directly log out and then return you back into the login screen.